Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm making a Bermuda Triangle. It's a very simple riff on a Dark and Stormy, and given the fact that it is a riff on a Dark and Stormy and it's called a Bermuda Triangle, you're probably meant to use a Bermudan rum, namely Gosling's Dark Seal Rum. But we're pretty much in lockdown. I've got a bottle of Karuba. This is pretty much how I do it in the channel as well. So if you don't have an ingredient, I'm showing you that it's easily substituted for another rum. It still works. It's not going to be the same original recipe, but it's still going to make a good, tasty drink. So Karuba, 45 ml, 1.5 ounces. I'm making this one straight in the glass. If you wanted to make it like a Dark and Stormy, then you could do it in a copper mug or something. No, Dark and Stormy's only copper mugs. Oh. Thinking of mules. Idiot. Anyways, and then it calls for 15 ml, half an ounce of fresh pineapple juice, a couple dashes of orange bitters, using Regan's, thanks to Daniel Regan, for utilizing the back bar feature, which thank you guys for your huge amount of support. I listed about 12 bottles there about a week ago. They're all gone. I've had them arrive just recently, so my next video I'll probably do a little bit of a tasting with those 12 spirits, and that could get interesting because I'm going to be drinking 12 spirits, and I know you guys like it when I drink on camera and get a little bit boozy, so we'll see. Then I'm going to top it up with a spicy ginger beer. I'm using Bundaberg again. They sent me a whole bunch of samples. Thank you for that, Bundaberg team. It calls for 60, 75 ml. The reason I'm doing it with no ice is just because it's going to mix all the ingredients together. Put the ice in first if you like. Just topping it up. And garnishing with a dehydrated lime wheel. And that's it. A Bermuda Triangle. There are many Bermuda Triangle recipes, as I found when I was doing a little bit of research. Have no idea where this came from. It was on the Difford's website. There's no information whatsoever apart from it saying it's a pineapple version of a Dark and Stormy. But let's see how it goes. Cheers. Before I do, one more thing. Dark and Stormy normally has a squeeze of, does it have a squeeze of lime juice? No, that's a Moscow Mule. Does a Dark and Stormy have? I'll cut that out. Have it a blank. I don't know everything, guys. Leave me alone. Cheers. It's good. It's easy to drink. A little bit spicy from the ginger beer. You got that intense, funky rum from the Karuba. The pineapple isn't overly strong. If anything, it kind of adds a little bit of dilution from, it like takes away from the effervescence of the drink from the ginger beer, but it's easy to drink. It's rich from that rum. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.